Hello everyone, let's see bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by living organisms. It is a fascinating phenomenon observed in various organisms, including bacteria, fungi, insects, marine animals, and even some plants. Bioluminescent organisms produce light through a chemical reaction that involves the interaction of a light-emitting molecule called a luciferin and an enzyme called a luciferase. Bioluminescence serves various functions in nature. Many organisms use bioluminescence for communication and signaling purposes. For example, fireflies use their bioluminescent light to attract mates, while certain marine organisms use it to attract prey or confuse predators. Some organisms also use bioluminescence for defense, emitting bright flashes of light to startle or distract predators. One of the most famous examples of bioluminescence in the ocean is found in dinoflagellates, a type of planktonic organism. When agitated, these dinoflagellates emit a bluish glow, creating beautiful sparkling effects known as sea sparkle or bioluminescent waves. Some deep-sea organisms also produce bioluminescence, as it can be advantageous in the perpetually dark depths of the ocean.